Ola Electric to set up 1 lakh charging points in 5 years. EV scooter to have range up to 150 kilometers. No delays expected in EV rollout plan due to the pandemic. Okay. Ola electric scooter, which is expected to hit the road this year, will have an industry-leading range up to 150 km in some of its variants, CEO Vabhish Agrawal said. And the company has also announced plans of setting up 1 lakh charging points across 400 cities in next 5 years, with 5,000 to be set up in first year. Ola Electric announced the Ola Hypercharger network on Thursday, with Ola Group CEO Bhavish Agrawal adding that an investment of $2 billion will be made by the company along with ecosystem partners such as marketing companies, malls, residential and corporate complexes to set up charging infrastructure over the next 5 years. Agrawal said Ola's charging infrastructure will accessible only to Ola's electric two-wheeler owners. Charging is the biggest anxiety and adoption barriers for EV users. We will build the charging points ourselves along with the partners such as fuel companies, office and residential complexes, malls, etc. The charging infrastructure will have to take up to $2 billion investment over the next 5 years. Ola will lead investment and the partner will co-invest. He said, adding that Ola Electric has a strong balance sheet to make investment. The Ola scooter can be charged up to 50% in just 18 minutes. You can charge 100% in 36 minutes, and for 18 minutes charging it will run for a 75-kilometer range, the company said. Some variants of the Ola scooter will have 150-kilometer range, Agrawal said, but did not give more details. The industry average range for EV scooter is currently under 100 km on a charge, while Ola Hypercharger will widely deployed across the cities in the city centers and business districts as stand-alone towers, as well as in busy locations such as malls, IT parks, office complexes, and cafes. Agrawal said that he expects 50% of users charging to be fulfilled by home chargers that will be bundled with Ola scooter. Earlier in 1 March, the company had said that the phase 1 of the Ola electric factory on 500-acre site in Tamil Nadu will be ready by June, and that it will have the capacity to manufacture 2 million vehicles annually. The factory will be built in 4 phases, and the company says this will be completed by June 2022, by when the company will have a capacity to make 10 million units annually. Agrawal said while there have been some supply side issue due to second wave of the COVID pandemic, he does not foresee any delays to the company's EV rollout plan.